know the presentation isn't that great, but I'm having salmon and mac and cheese for dinner, and I'm very happy. Shout out to Daphne Salmon. Very good. Thank you.
I always said that I haven't got the words for you. All your diction dripping with disdain through the pain. I always.
Yo, what is good? Obviously, I left work right now. I was at Jelly's. I brought her groceries. Flight's gonna go off.
Who gives a f about an Oxford comma? I climbed the Durham Shallow too. I did. I met the Heights Llama. His accent sounded fine to me. To me.
Okay, so let's talk for a second. Went to work today. What did I do at work? We had confirmation class tonight. It's kind of boring. It's always kind of boring. It's hard to make it exciting, and they're bored, and I'm bored, and everyone's bored. And then I was a bit annoyed because I worked over 8 hours, and yet I don't get paid for that. That's a bit frustrating. Not awful, but a little frustrating. And then I brought groceries to Jelly that my parents had given me to give to her. And then we had some crab cakes. And then I'm home. Today wasn't very exciting, but that's okay. I feel like I've been sucking at these because my mind is so preoccupied with bigger issues, I guess, or bigger, like, my whole emotional and mental capacity has been on other things. Yeah, so if these haven't been as cool lately, that's why. My heart and my headspace have been more occupied with the condition of our world and people hurting and stuff, and so, yeah. The camera keeps on stopping recording. As always, guys, stay stoked. I love you. Peace.
Take your hand.